In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a content block in Mailchimp. To get started, log into your Mailchimp account and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Once you are signed in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and select Campaigns. This is where Mailchimp stores the email campaigns you've already created, so it's the right place to go if you want to make changes to an existing email. After that, open the email campaign you want to edit. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct campaign, especially if you manage several emails at once. This helps you avoid making changes to the wrong design. Once the campaign is open, click Edit Design to launch the email builder. This is the area where all of your email content blocks are arranged, including text, images, buttons, and other sections. When the editor loads, you'll be able to see the full structure of your email and choose the exact block you want to remove. Next, move your mouse over the specific content block you want to delete, or click directly on it. When you do this, a small toolbar should appear near that block. This mini toolbar contains quick editing options for that section. Look for the trash icon, or in some versions, a remove option. Click the trash icon or remove option to delete that content block. If Mailchimp asks you to confirm the deletion, go ahead and confirm it. That extra prompt is there to help prevent accidental changes, so it's a good idea to read it briefly before continuing. After the block has been removed, take a quick look through your email layout. Deleting one section can sometimes affect spacing or the visual flow of the message, so it's helpful to review the surrounding content before saving. If everything looks right, go to the top of the editor and click Save and Close or Save, and exit to make sure your changes are kept. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.